Hey there guys, in this video let's see a tool called Driftnet, and this is going to be a full tutorial on the Driftnet tool. And also I have written a blog post on this tool, so this blog post link will be in the description box below, so do check it out. Firstly, let's see what is Driftnet. So the Driftnet tool, according to me, it works like a screen grabber and it is pretty much very easy to use this tool. So the first thing what you want to do is just compromise the target network. You can just compromise the target network using wireless attacks. So I'll be preferring the aircrack NG, and also I've written a blog post on this tool. So you can just go to the video or the blog post. So you can just go to the wireless attack menu and you can find all of the information. So once you compromise the network, you can just connect the Driftnet to the particular network, and whenever the target browsers and if he or she sees any images, that images will be captured by the Driftnet tool. And in few moments I will be showing you how to use this tool, and also you'll be capturing some of the images. And also I've given the authors page if the tool is not installed in your Debian machine. So just use the GitHub repository and do a git clone. So I'll be not explaining all the examples. So let me show you how to use this tool straightforward. So let me close all the tabs. Yes. So I'll just enter Driftnet. So you can see I have already worked with this tool. -I ETH0. So I'm using the Ethernet 0, and let's give enter. So as I said, the Driftnet tool is a graphical user interface. So we need permission to do this. So I'll just enter sudo. And let me enter my password. Yes, here we are. So let me maximize a little bit. And I'm going to the browser and I'll be entering the Driftnet, that is the author's Driftnet site. So I'll just go to this site. So now we will be capturing all these images. So let me go to the Driftnet and see whether we captured anything. No, not yet. We didn't capture any images. So I'll just go to the home page. Most probably we should be capturing images. So we can see that we have captured one of the images. So you can see over here. And if you don't know what happened to other images, why it didn't capture other images, it is because some errors. So if you want to see what is happening in this tools, you can just enter the -v bourbonose. So I will just enter -v. So let me do Control C and enter Driftnet -I ETH0 -v. Sorry, I should enter sudo. And now we can see what is happening at the back. In the terminal, we can see it is listening to the Ethernet 0 and using a temporary file. So whatever the images you capture, it will be saved in this particular temporary file. So let us do some surfing and let's see we are capturing some images or not. So let me go to the home. Let me go to this URL and click on any other things. Let's see we are capturing this parrot symbol or not. So we can see we have captured many images. This is not what I expected. So it is many images and we can see some of them are hidden. So we can get these files from the temporary file. So we can see that the temporary file is over here, the file directory at the start. So you can just go to this temporary directory and find all of the images. And also we can see what is happening, and we can see how much of the bytes. So we can see how much of the bytes are transferred. So you can just enter Verbonos to see all these, and also you can enter the -b command to notify. So whenever you see or capture any images, you get a beep sound. So I'll just enter I'll just enter the help command and show you the great examples. So I'll just enter driftnet -- help, and over here we can see verbonos operation. So -b, so this is one of my favorite command. So beep when a new image is captured, and also -i is for the interface. So we can see that I used the -i, so where it is, you can see that the interface I used is the Ethernet 0. You can use whatever the network you want, where you want to listen and capture the images. And what others? So -f, so instead of listening, you can just dump the packets and find you can find the images. And also -p, do not put the listener interface into promiscuous mode, and -a, adjust mode, and -m, maximum number of images. So these are the normal commands, so you can just go and play with it. So the most important command in this tool is the driftnet -i and the network you are capturing or you are listening to. And yeah, that's it. So you can also add -v if you want to know what is happening. So that's it. We have captured many images. But anyways, the Driftnet tool is very much old. So I don't know the Driftnet tool according to this year or this century it is working properly or not. But anyways, I personally like this tool, and yeah, thanks for this tool and thanks to these guys. And also, if you like this video, make sure give a like and subscribe to our channel, and do visit my blog post I have written on the Driftnet tool. And thank you for watching. See you in next video, guys.